Now, the Delhi government has revoked GRAP 4 as air quality in the national capital improves. What this essentially means is that several restrictions that were put in place in Delhi have now been removed. This is with regards to vehicular movement into the national capital, construction work at certain times. All of those particular curbs will now be lifted. With GRAP 4 being revoked, we'll see GRAP 3 being put in place in the national capital. And this because there's been just about a marginal improvement in air quality. It is still, let's be very clear, an SOS in the national capital. Situation is still very bad. Some would argue that maybe the air quality has gotten better because GRAP 4 was in place. So can we really afford to see this kind of steps being taken right now? Milind Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Milind, you're seeing essentially a seesaw approach. Air quality comes down, courtesy the restrictions put in place. Immediately, GRAP 4 is reduced to GRAP 3. Again, the air quality becomes bad. Again, restrictions go up.
Well, that's absolutely right, Akshita, because here we see that the air quality came down to the poor category in 270s. And right now, if you lift the GRAP restrictions, again, we'll be looking at the same scenario and we'll be back to where we were from the start. And that seems to be the problem with the way CAQM has been imposing and removing the GRAP restrictions, because ideally, the GRAP restriction should stay at least throughout the winter. We've had a western disturbance. From that, we have had higher wind speeds that has held dispersed particulate matter in the air, but that does not mean that the pollution has reduced. And which is why the CAQM has also quoted the Indian Meteorological Department saying that there have been conducive weather conditions. However, in the coming days, I should tell you, because I also cover the IMD, the weather conditions are going to deteriorate once again. And we are going to look at, the trapping of particulate matter around the 27th and 28th again. So is the CAQM going to impose the GRAP 4 restrictions again? We're going to go back and forth like this. And certainly what you just said, this is a seesaw approach that the government is taking on restrictions being removed at the moment when we need them the most.
There will be serious questions about what is the scientific planning being done to tackle pollution instead of responding to what's happening around us. Thanks very much, Milind, for joining us with those details.